Hello friends and assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel DevInshal. Today I will show you how to build one pure CSS MineSweeper using CSS, and this video will be really helpful for you. So see this video from start to end so you can learn one to one thing about this video. And if you are just new here, so please hit the subscribe button. And if you have enjoyed this video, so also like this video, and after subscribing also hit the notification bell. And when you hit the notification bell, so from that you will be getting all the notifications of my video which I will be uploading, and that will be really helpful. And also share this video with your friends and family members so they can also learn what is programming and coding and how to do these things and what are these languages, and because these things are really helpful in the future life. So if we learn today, so it will be helpful for ourselves in future. So these things are really helpful, and I hope you understand. If you have not checked my previous videos, you can check that out. In that, I've just telling all the there are small projects of HTML and CSS. I've also uploaded some of the projects of CSS. You can check that out also. And I've started the CSS series also. So today we will be building, like I'm telling you, we will be just building a project which is named as Pure CSS MineSweeper uh, using CSS only. So this will be really helpful. So just now we will be starting with our project. So just like I'm telling you, we have just opened two files here, and now my default browser is Opera browser. So it is opening my file in Opera browser, and it is opening my file in Opera browser. So if you are having another browser like Google Chrome, or your default browser is Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, so don't worry about that. You can download this Opera browser from Google, and just you can write with this Opera browser. But if you are having Google Chrome, so nothing happens. It is also a good, you can say good browser, but it is old browser, and Opera is latest browser, and it is containing all the features and things, you can say, the latest things the user needed to work with this. So you can see how cool looking is this browser is, and we are getting all the things which we want. So this is the browser which we are working with, and it will be really helpful. So just now you have to go to title, then remember you have to move to body tag, then name. First of all, the style tag, we will be not working with this, we will be working but further on, but we have just created at the starting, so we don't have to create at the center. So now you will be getting the text tag, you have to erase that all, just only you have to need this style open tag and style close tag. So with the help of this style tag, we will be designing all the things which we will be writing. So I will be pressing enter here. Here also same thing. Then I will be moving underneath this body tag, and when you are moved down underneath body tag, then here you have to just write another tag, same as previously which we have done. So now you have to just first of all write the heading here. So I will be writing h1 tag here. So write h1 tag, and then in that I will be writing pure CSS, and here I will be writing mine. So when you have written this, here you have to do one thing, just you have to save this and reload. You can see pure CSS MineSweeper is written here. Then I will be styling that by going to this file. Then I will be doing one thing here, like I'll be writing this tag. Then you have to write here the font family I will be writing, and the font family I will be writing of Mons here. So just write here Mons here, comma sans serif. Then you can give it to Poppins or any other font family. Like if I give Open Sans, so you can give it to Open Sans here. So I will be giving it Open Sans. Now just save this file and reload here. You can see we are getting it Open Sans. You can take it in center by writing it in center. So you can just write here text align in center. So write text align in center. Save it and reload here. You can see now we are getting it in center. Now for writing the, you can say for writing our CSS MineSweeper, for building that, you have to move underneath this H1, write BR tag here, copy this BR tag and paste that. So we can get space from down. So now we have paste save here, and I'll be moving down, writing input tag here. In type I will be writing ratio. One can write checkbox, I will be writing checkbox. Then I will be doing one thing here. I will be now writing the check here, save here, and so you can see we are getting the checkbox here, and it is totally looking amazing. And we are getting the BR tag also. So we are getting it in center. I'll be copying this checkbox here, and I'll be pasting it many times I want, so I'll be pasting it many times. So now I'll be pasting it here, save here and reload. So you can see we are getting many of the checkboxes here. And now you can use BR tag to make more checkboxes down. So here I'll be writing checkbox here, save here and reload. You can see more checkboxes we are getting. So now you can copy these all checkboxes here. Then you can paste these all checkboxes, save here and reload. Now you can see we are getting more checkboxes here, and you can just paste many of the checkboxes you want to paste here. So now here we will be now using ratio. So here for doing ratio, you have to write input tag again. Then I will be now writing here ratio. Then you have to do one thing, save it, and then if I reload, you can see you are getting the ratio here. So now we are getting the type ratio. Then I will be doing one thing, I will be copying this here and I will be pasting it. So now I will be writing ratio, write name, then paste it. Save here and reload. So you can see here also we are getting there. Now we want checkbox. So here I will now copy this checkbox here. You can say copy this. See I will be doing. Then I will be pasting it here. You can see how many times we have pasted and we are getting the checkboxes there how many times. So like that you can copy paste that. So you can get your checkboxes. You can see many of the checkboxes you are getting. So this was the CSS MineSweeper. So like that you can just work with and you can play the games here. Like you can press tick and then you can untick that. Then you can press tick and untick that. Then like that you can work with the CSS MineSweeper. So this was the project of CSS MineSweeper. I hope you enjoy this project of CSS MineSweeper, and if you have enjoyed, so please hit a like to this video. If you are new on the channel, hit the subscribe button, share this video, because when you share, so more people can learn about these amazing skills which I am giving to my channel about CSS and HTML. In the future, I will be also covering programming languages, which should be really helpful for a beginner. But if you are a beginner, so these things are really helpful for you. So see all the videos from start to end. Do not skip any part, because if you skip any part, so it will be really difficult for you to goals if you are writing. So remember to not to skip any part. And just if you are new, subscribe on my channel, because when you subscribe, it gives motivation to you to make more videos like that and do more hard work for you. And these videos are really helpful, and these all the things which we are doing today will be really helpful for us in future. So remember to do this video by doing focus, and then also just remember all the tools and the things which I am doing, because that will be coming really helpful. And I have also uploaded some of the small videos, other small videos of CSS. You can check that out. And we have also previously done many of the small videos of HTML and CSS, and I hope you enjoy that also. And if you have enjoyed that also, so please hit a like to that videos also, because that videos are also really helpful for a beginner if they want to learn. And you can see how amazing this mindset and is. So this was some of the project, and then this was the small project, but it was really helpful because some people does not know. From input we can also get checkbox. The only thing we can only get these inputs like I put here. So from this input, you can also get these checkboxes. So just I hope you understand. If you have enjoyed, hit a like, and then I will be taking next project for today. Goodbye.